Greetings to everyone. I'm Chaitanya Shrivastava, a student at GLA University, Mathura. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Communication Engineering second year. The reason behind I choose this branch was because it offers job opportunities in every prospect we can think of, be it working in a government sector or a corporate sector or some of the multinational companies we surely think of. I think that this branch is best for us if we think and have a dream in working in any of these sectors. Now talking about my department, that is Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our department has some of the best teachers, I could say, because they help you in your smallest and biggest doubt. They'll always try to motivate you and help you in the best way they could. In the first year itself, we are made aware of all the electronics labs that we may or may not get in at any other place. In this lab, we learn how to work on stimulation, that is Cadence and MATLAB. In electronics lab, we learn how to analyze the signals of the electrical circuits. In the digital electronics lab, we learn how to make digital circuits using K-maps and logic gates and flip-flops. Talking about the placement, it completely depends upon you that in which company you want to get placed. Our department will definitely help you in getting placed in any of the IT companies you desire, for example Microsoft, Amazon and Wipro and Infosys and many more. And they'll also help you in getting placed in any of the core companies, for example Zia Semiconductor, CFE, Orange, VVDN and many more. Our seniors have also been placed at some of the respected government sectors like ISRO, DDN, BEL and IES and IAS. So you see that there's a lot of job opportunities and a very big prospect for your career, and I'm very happy to share all this information with you. Hope you find it useful. Thank you.